Van life is cool, but truck life, that's next level. More power, more clearance, and way more off-road adventure. In this video, we're showing you 7 insane truck builds that people actually live in full time. From fully equipped campers to custom off-grid rigs. These aren't your average pickups. They're homes on wheels, rugged, reliable, and ready to go anywhere. If you've ever dreamed of ditching rent and hitting the open road, these truck builds will give you serious inspiration. 1. EarthRoamer LTI, luxury meets off-road power. The EarthRoamer LTI is the ultimate off-grid truck home. Built on a Ford F-550 chassis, it's a high-end expedition vehicle with a full kitchen, wet bath, king-size bed, and even heated floors. Its carbon fiber shell keeps it lightweight but tough, and the massive solar power system with lithium batteries means total energy independence. With 4-wheel drive and heavy-duty suspension, it's built for serious overlanding, not just RV parks. It carries enough water and supplies to live off-grid for weeks at a time. The only downside, it starts at over $700,000, but if you want the most comfortable way to live full-time in a truck without sacrificing luxury, this beast is unbeatable. It's not just a camper, it's a rolling fortress. 2. Toyota Tacoma Plus 4-wheel camper. The Toyota Tacoma is legendary for its reliability and off-road capabilities, and when paired with a 4-wheel camper, it becomes a compact, full-time living solution. This setup is perfect for solo travelers or couples who want a low-profile lifestyle without sacrificing comfort. The camper includes a pop-up roof for standing room, a small kitchenette, sleeping space, and enough storage for minimalist living. Lightweight and durable, it doesn't weigh down your Tacoma like a full slide-in camper would, which helps maintain fuel economy and trail performance. With solar panels and a battery setup, you can easily go off-grid for days. It's affordable, practical, and road-tested by thousands of full-time nomads. If you're new to truck life, this is the perfect entry point. 3. Ram 3500 with custom flatbed camper. For those needing serious hauling power and living space, the Ram 3500 with a custom flatbed camper is a dream setup. Flatbeds offer more room for storage and allow for larger custom-built campers with features like full kitchens, wet baths, solar setups, and even workstations. The Cummins diesel engine is a favorite in the overlanding world for its torque, fuel efficiency, and long-term durability. With a flatbed, you also gain modularity. You can swap the camper for a utility tray or cargo box when needed. Many full-time travelers love this setup for its versatility and rugged design. It's perfect for people working remotely or traveling with a partner who want extra living space and dependability on rough terrain. 4. Chevy Colorado ZR2 Overland build. If you want a smaller footprint without sacrificing off-road power, the Chevy Colorado ZR2 is your truck. With factory lockers, multimatic suspension, and off-road clearance, it's ready for the trail straight off the lot. Pair it with a lightweight overland camper like a Go Fast Camper GFC or Alu Cab, and you've got a nimble, low-profile adventure rig. These campers offer sleeping quarters, pop-up roofs for headroom, and space for gear, cooking, and storage. Add solar panels, a power station, and water tanks, and you're completely self-reliant. The midsize platform makes it easier to maneuver in tight trails or urban areas while still offering full-time livability. It's perfect for minimalists who want to go remote, stay stealthy, and avoid full-size truck hassles. 5. Ford F-250 with slide-in Arctic Fox camper pairing. A Ford F-250 with an Arctic Fox camper gives you a rugged 4-season setup perfect for full-time living. Inside, you'll find a kitchen, queen bed, wet bath, and ample storage. It's ideal for couples needing comfort and insulation in extreme climates. With solar compatibility and heavy-duty power, it handles everything from snowy mountains to remote deserts, making it one of the best full-size truck camper combos out there. 6. Nissan Titan XD Plus Custom Habitat Shell. The Nissan Titan XD with an AT Habitat shell is a stealthy, lightweight overland build. The fold-out tent offers standing room and cozy sleeping space, while the truck handles gear, power, and water setups with ease. Perfect for minimalist travelers who still want comfort, this rig is efficient, affordable, and trail-ready. The Titan's diesel V8 ensures reliability, while the modular camper design keeps it practical and road-legal in most areas. 7. GMC Sierra 3500 plus host Mammoth 11.6 camper. The GMC Sierra 3500 paired with the host Mammoth 11.6 is full-time truck life at its most luxurious. With 3 slide-outs, it offers unmatched interior space, complete with a full kitchen, large dinette, separate bathroom, and solar power. Designed for serious off-grid living, this combo handles harsh weather, long-term stays, and high payloads. If comfort is your priority, this heavy-duty setup gives you the RV lifestyle with truck performance. Truck life isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle built on freedom, flexibility, and serious adventure. These 7 truck builds prove you can live full-time without sacrificing comfort, performance, or durability. Whether you're craving off-grid solitude or cross-country travel, there's a perfect rig out there for you. If this inspired your next move, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more epic overland content. The road is calling. Answer it in style.